assist myself, Raina Tombred, and group member Jessica Harrison, JC Agawe, Fiona Messiah, Cassia Monroe, and Jayla Sears is presenting today on improvised material. Now, before we go into anything, I will tell you what is improvised material. Improvised material are the materials that we use to substitute for the real materials. So here we have some improvised materials. Here we have the solar system. Now here we have the test tube holder. Over here we have the insect bottles. This is a thermometer. Here we have the beam balance. Then we have the pinhole camera. We have the aquarium which contains fishes. And over there we have the wind vane. Here you can see a tripod stand. We have the flower, the heart, the windstock. Here we have the spring balance. We have an electric circuit. And over here we have the kaleidoscope and also the hive.
Here we are displaying the beam balance. The beam balance is a science instrument used to measure weight. So these two cups measure weight in them. Over here we have the spring balance. The spring balance also we measure weight with it. If you see, we could measure weight here. And here we have the windstock. The windstock is an instrument used to show the direction and also the strength of the wind.
So here we have the thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of a substance, whether hot or cold. And in healthcare, it is used to measure the temperature of the human body. So here we have the insect bottles. It is used to trap various types of insects. And some examples of insects are ants and the grasshopper. Here we have the measuring cylinder. It is used to measure the volume of a liquid. And the test tube holder is used to hold test tubes when they are hot or should not be touched.
Here we have the model of a heart, and the heart is an internal organ that is used to pump blood around the body. Here we have a model of the eye. Now the eye is an organ that is used to provide us with visions.
So here we have an aquarium of fishes, and this is a transparent container in which fishes and other creatures and plants are kept. So the aquarium can be used to teach the science concept parts of a fish or even types of fishes. Okay, so here we have a wind vane. It is also known as a weather vane, and it is used to tell the direction of the wind. Wind vane can be used to teach the concept weather.
Here we have the pinhole camera. Now this camera is the shape of a box. It doesn't have a lens, and it's used to teach how images reflect. So in the classroom we can teach. Here we have the kaleidoscope. Now the kaleidoscope reflects the beam of light, and it's used to teach transition of light. Over here we have a sample of the tripod stand, and this tripod stand is used in the lab. It could be used for support of the flasks and beakers, and it's also used to support a Bunsen burner when doing science heated experiment. Okay, so here we have the flower, which consists of colored petals that attracts insects, and we can use this to teach parts of the flower in the classroom. Now here we have the solar system, which is a collection of 8 planets, And we all know that we live on the planet Earth. So this is the electric circuit, and this is used to power bulbs or any other electrical component, and this can be used to teach electricity in the classroom.